-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Stop the vehicle on a hard, flat surface. Set the parking brake. Shift the shift position to P. Stop the fuel cell system. Towing eyelet. Jack. 7-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. 387. Warning. Using the tire jack. Observe the following precautions. Improper use of the tire jack may cause the vehicle to suddenly fall off the jack, leading to death or serious injury. Do not use the tire jack for any purpose other than replacing tires or installing and removing tire chains. Only use the tire jack that comes with this vehicle for replacing a tire. Do not use it on other vehicles, and do not use other tire jacks for replacing tires on this vehicle. Always check that the tire jack is securely set to the jack point. Do not put any part of your body under the vehicle while it is supported by the jack. Do not operate the fuel cell system or drive the vehicle while the vehi CLE is supported by the jack. Do not raise the vehicle while someone is inside. When raising the vehicle, do not put an object on or under the jack. Do not raise the vehicle to a height greater than that required to replace the tire. Use a jack stand if it is necessary to get under the vehicle. When lowering the vehicle, make sure that there is no one near the vehicle. If there are people nearby, warn them vocally before lowering. Take out the jack. 388-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Asterisk. Chalk can be purchased at your Toyota dealer. Tire position with chalk positions. Front left-hand side behind the rear right-hand side tire. Right-hand side behind the rear left-hand side tire. Rear left-hand side in front of the front right-hand side tire. Right-hand side in front of the front left-hand side tire. Remove the wheel ornament using the wrench. To protect the wheel ornament, place a rag between the wrench and the wheel ornament. Slightly loosen the wheel nuts one turn. 7-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. 389. Check the jack point. The mark displaying the jack set position is attached to the underside of the side mud guard. Turn the tire jack portion by hand until the notch of the jack is in contact with the jack point. When it is difficult to insert the jack, turn it sideways and then insert. Raise the vehicle until the tire is slightly raised off the ground. Remove all the wheel nuts and the tire. When resting the tire on the ground, place the tire so that the wheel design faces up to avoid scratching the wheel surface. 390-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Warning. Replacing a tire. Observe the following precautions. Failure to do so may result in serious injury. Do not touch the disc wheels or the area around the brakes immediately after the vehicle has been driven. After the vehicle has been driven, the disc wheels and the area around the brakes will be extremely hot. Touching these areas with hands, feet, or other body parts while changing a tire, etc., may result in burns. Failure to follow these precautions could cause the wheel nuts to loosen and the tire to fall off, resulting in death or serious injury. Have the wheel nuts tightened with a torque wrench to 76 feet lb/Fm, 10.5 kg/Fm as soon as possible after changing wheels. When installing a tire, only use wheel nuts that have been specified, designed for that wheel. If there are any cracks or deformations in the bolt screws, nut threads or bolt holes of the wheel, have the vehicle inspected by your Toyota dealer. When installing the wheel nuts, be sure to install the wheel nuts with the tapered ends facing inward. 397. 1. Remove any dirt or foreign matter from the wheel contact surface. If foreign matter is on the wheel contact surface, the wheel nuts may loosen while the vehicle is in motion, causing the tire to come off. 7-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. Install the tire and loosely tighten each wheel nut by hand by approximately the same amount. Turn the wheel nuts until the washers come into contact with the disc wheel. Lower the vehicle. Firmly tighten each wheel nut 2 or 3 times in the order shown in the illustration. Tightening torque. 76 feet lb/Fm, 10.5 kg/Fm. Reinstall the wheel ornament. Stow the tire jack and all tools. 391. 392-3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. 7 to 3. Do-it-yourself maintenance. 393. The recommended cold tire inflow, tire pressure and tire size are displayed on the tire and loading information label. 471.